absolutes, these rules, as if we know that this thing.
A hot dog. Wait a minute. Horses don't eat hot dogs. They eat carrots. They eat grains. They don't eat meat. But I say yes because I say yes to virtually everything. He came back with the hot dog and the horse ate it. And that's when I realized that everything I thought I knew could be wrong. Now, a normal person would be scared about that. For me, I was thrilled because that opened up a world of possibilities. And then I thought about it. And people don't know a lot about science, but what's very important for people to understand is science only gives us probabilities. Right? So, to do this experiment with horses, you have horses of this kind weighing this amount on this particular day who've been not eaten for this number of hours, given this amount of grain mixed with this amount of meat. When you do all of that, most of them don't eat meat. It's a mouthful. So it's short. Horses don't eat meat. Correct. And that's the way we live our lives. And the hard part is that everything you mindlessly took in when you were younger is firmly there guiding your behavior when you're older. And just think about it. Do you want your 30-year-old self, what you're doing, to be dictated by your 15-year-old self? Or your 30-year-old self to dictate what's coming when you're 40 and 50 and 60? And we're oblivious to all of this. So years of research, close to 50 years of research, has shown me virtually all of us are mindless almost all the time. And when you're mindless, you're not aware that you're not there. Okay, so you're not there, but you don't know that you're not there. And so if you were to say, do horses eat meat? You say, no, horses don't eat meat. It would just be a natural response, but it would be wrong, at least in some contexts. Dr. Gage, you're awake. You're no longer responding like a robot, so you are. And, I wrote a book a while ago on becoming an artist and shared the journey. And as you start to paint or do some new activity, if you let yourself become totally engaged, it's exhilarating. And then, I say, the phone rings, and all of a sudden your mood changes. And so you realize, wow, how you are more typically. People take as a baseline being mindless. When you're not feeling energetic, excited, and serene. So anytime you're feeling not like a robot, you're experiencing the joys of being mindful. And again, it's so easy. All you need to do is be there and recognize that the world we've been brought up in has taught us how not to be there. Not be there, I think, in some ways to turn control of our lives over to other people. For somebody that may be listening somewhere around the world, and they've never even considered that what they're experiencing in terms of their day-to-day life is that sort of robot mindlessness, that hasn't even entertained the thought that there is an entirely different way to experience your life starting today. Yeah. When people, if you're rushing someplace, just...
Hati-hati pelanggan dan info dari yang disebar kepada pelanggan yang berada di dekat pintu mengambil jalan pelanggan dan kami mengimbau kepada pelanggan turun mohon untuk tidak terburu-buru dan tidak saling dorong. 12 kereta. Pastikan Anda tidak naik atau tidak memaksakan diri. Kami himbau pada pelanggan turun tidak terburu-buru dan tidak terdorong. Bagi Anda yang tidak kami perlukan kembali catatan Anda baiknya tidak angkat kereta. Ada dari 12 kereta kami himbau pada pelanggan tidak memaksakan diri. Hati-hati pintu ditutup kembali.
Next station, Tebet.
Stasiun Tebet periksa teliti kembali tiket serta barang-barang bawaan Anda pastikan tidak tertinggal. Hati-hati pelanggan perhatikan celah merah dengan kereta. Stasiun Tebet. Kami menghimbau kepada pelanggan yang berada di dekat pintu mohon beri jalan pelanggan turun terlebih dahulu. Dan kami menghimbau kepada pelanggan turun mohon untuk tidak terburu-buru dan tidak saling dorong. Stasiun Tebet, hati-hati pintu dibuka, hati-hati. Kami menghimbau kembali kepada pelanggan yang berada di dekat pintu mohon beri jalan pelanggan turun terlebih dahulu. Dan kami menghimbau kepada pelanggan turun mohon untuk tidak terburu-buru dan tidak saling dorong. Utamakan selalu keselamatan diri Anda. Stasiun Tebet, hati-hati pintu dibuka, hati-hati. Kami himbau pada pelanggan yang berada di dekat pintu mohon beri jalan pelanggan turun terlebih dahulu. Dan kami menghimbau kepada pelanggan turun mohon tidak terburu-buru dan tidak saling dorong. Bagi pelanggan yang tidak dapat naik untuk tidak memaksakan diri. Hati-hati pintu akan ditutup kembali persiapan kereta diberangkatkan. Hati-hati pintu ditutup kembali.
Stasiun Palangkaraya Sobat Kereta jalur 1 dari utara perjalanan masuk otomatis stasiun Depok perjalanan yang sampai stasiun Depok rangkaian 12 kereta.
Stasiun berikutnya, Stasiun Transit Manggarai. Next station, Transit Station Manggarai.
Stasiun Transit Manggarai. Hati-hati pintu dibuka, hati-hati. Stasiun Manggarai. Kalau telah tujuan dari stasiun Jakarta Kota, kami informasikan transport kereta terdiri dari 12 kereta masuk stasiun Tebet. Kami menghimbau kepada pelanggan yang tidak dapat atau tidak memaksakan diri untuk menelan tujuan dari stasiun Jakarta Kota. Hati-hati pintu ditutup kembali, hati-hati. Hati-hati pintu ditutup kembali. Kami menghimbau kembali kepada pelanggan yang tidak dapat atau tidak memaksakan diri. Jakarta Kota berikutnya terdiri dari 12 kereta sudah masuk stasiun Tebet. Hati-hati pintu ditutup kembali, hati-hati.
Jalur 11 perjalanan itu jalan tujuan Bogor kami 8 kereta jalur 11.
Cikini, hati-hati melangkah, perhatikan celah peron. Cikini, watch your step and please mind the platform gap.